Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set countdown timer on a laptop. A countdown timer can help you stay focused, manage tasks, or keep track of breaks while using your Windows laptop. Windows includes a built-in clock app that allows you to create and run countdown timers. Follow these steps to set a countdown timer on the Windows laptop. To begin, turn on your Windows laptop and sign in. Click the Start button on the taskbar. Type clock in the search box. Open the clock app from the search results. Select the timer section in the left menu. Click the Add Timer button. Enter a name for the timer if desired. Set the number of hours for the countdown. Set the number of minutes for the countdown. Set the number of seconds for the countdown. Then review the timer settings to ensure they're correct. Click Save to create the timer. Now, press the Start button on the timer or the play, then wait for the countdown to finish and listen for the notification when the timer expires. Alternatively, you can set a timer using Microsoft Copilot or other timer applications available for Windows. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.